Assalamualaikum. Good day, everyone. I am Hafsa, Department of Law, University of Barisal. My registration number is 250601038. Today, I am going to speak on the topic ICT in education. This topic is submitted to our Honorable Teacher Suprabhat Haldar sir. Today, we are exploring how technology is changing the way we learn. We are talking about ICT, which stands for Information and Communication Technology. Basically, it's the magic that brings technology into our classroom. The big three to understand ICT. Think of the three things. First, communication, like using Zoom to join a class. Second, information, like saving your notes on Google Drive. And third, broadcasting, like learning from a cool educational podcast or TV show. Check out these tools we use every day. We have LMS platforms like Google Classroom to keep us organized. There are interactive displays instead of boring boards, and even AI chatbots that help us with our homework. And for the really wow factor, VR simulations that let us travel anywhere in the world without leaving our desk. The result is in the numbers. 85% of students now use these tools every single day. It's not just about grades, it's about making learning faster, easier, and a lot more fun. ICT application in legal education. First, we have electronic legal databases. Gone are the days of searching through dusty bookshelves. Tools like Manupatra, SCC Online, and Westlaw give students instant access to thousands of cases and legal documents with just one click. We also have digital learning resources, including ebooks, journals, and online courses that allow students to learn anytime, anywhere. Next, the next is the most exciting part, virtual courtroom simulations. Using VR technology, students can practice opening statements and cross examinations in a realistic environment. They even get automated feedback on their eye contact and presentation skills. In fact, studies show that VR training can improve learner performance by up to 40%. Finally, students are learning to use case management tools. These applications help future lawyers track deadlines, organize files, and manage client relationships, preparing them for the reality of modern legal practice. Then the impact of ICT learning. First, the numbers speak for themselves. We see a 75% increase in student engagement and a strong 0.65 correlation between using these tools and better academic performance. Plus, 80% of instructors have already adopted these systems into their teaching. So, what are the main benefits? Enhanced engagement. Tools like gamification keep students focused, improved performance. Students using ICT show significantly higher achievement levels. Personalized learning lessons can now be customized to fit every student's unique pace and style. Digital skills. It prepares students for the 21st century by teaching them essential digital literacy. Now we are discussing the challenges and strategic solutions for using technology in education. While ICT is powerful, there are several barriers we need to overcome. There are four main challenges. First, infrastructure, meaning poor internet and lack of hardware. Second, digital literacy, where people lack the skills to use tools. Third, cost, which makes devices too expensive. And fourth, resistance to change from those hesitant to try new things. These problems create a digital divide. This means students in developing countries or poor schools are left behind because they don't have the same access to quality digital learning. To fix this, we need four strategies. Invest in infrastructure for better internet, provide professional development to training teachers, create institutional politics to make ICT a priority, build public-private partnership to reduce cost. Let's explore what's shown on this slide. The future of ICT in education. This is about how technology will change learning. Pointing to the top left box, first, on the left, we see emerging technologies. These are new tools like AI integration for personalized learning, VR or AR learning for immersive experiences, and blockchain to secure our certificates. Even gamification is making education more fun. Pointing to bottom left and top right boxes, below that, it talks about bridging the digital divide. This means making sure everyone has access to the internet and affordable devices. And at the top right, institutional role reminds universities to update their digital tools and training their teachers. Pointing to the middle right box in the middle, you can see call to action. This is a clear message. We must use ICT to make education fair and accessible for all. This prepares students for the future. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.